How to enable TikTok break reminder. To use or enable the TikTok's break reminder feature, first of all, you have to launch the TikTok application on your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is now go ahead and then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. From here, you simply have to go ahead and tap on these three horizontal lines on the top right. From here, scroll down to the settings and privacy, and once again scroll down until you find the screen time option or until you find the activity center. Once you're here, head to the screen time. Now you simply have to go ahead and then locate the screen time breaks option or the daily screen time feature over here. You simply have to go ahead and tap on this daily limit, then set your timer. Once you are done, go ahead and tap done, and there you go. This is how you can enable TikTok break reminder. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.